This is the front page of eBay.com. I will click the sell here. And then after that, I will create listing. So I will click here, create listing, because I want to add something on this store. Then click single listing. And now I will type or create a title of the cart item. So Minnie. Then I click get started. So here it is. The title of my item is Minnie Disney Toddler Adjustable Cup, pink and white hat for kids, 100%. And then I will go down the subtitle. I will skip this one, and the scale label, I will skip this one, and the category is hats. So I will choose this because kids, girls accessories hats. And then the store categories. I will click the arrow down here and choose the caps and hats. Yes. Variation, I will skip this one. UPC, I will skip this one. And the condition of the item is pre-owned. So I will type down here the condition description of the item. So the condition of the item is great condition. Please do pictures for description. Comes from Facebook environment. So then next is the photos. So I will upload the photos here. So here it is. I will choose here the white background, and I want to click this one to adjust the color. Okay, click save. And then the style is a bowl cut. The brand is Disney. And the size is adjustable. Department is girls. Okay. The character is Minnie Mouse. The fabric type is canvas. 100% cotton is material. Occasion, let's make this in travel. We'll choose the travel. Active wear. Party. Okay. Vintage, yes. Character family is Disney. Okay. Theme is colorful. Okay. And show additional accent, baby, gold, buckle. Is this a paper? Yes, it is a buckle. Embroidered, yes, embroidered. Logo, okay. Features is adjustable. Country region is China. Yes, you see this item is from China. Yes, this one, China, made in China, right? And pattern is solid. Solid, we will add solid. Personalize, no. MPN. apply. Handmade, no. Model, doesn't apply. Product line, doesn't apply. Year manufacturer, is this year manufacturer? No, doesn't apply. Or I'll choose this one. Oh, maybe this one. And then we're here at the item description. So first I will put the title of the item. So I will have to copy paste the title of the item. Go down and then paste it here. And then second is the condition of the item. I'll go up and copy the condition of the item here. Okay. Next is this one. We'll have to combine shipping on multiple items from our 1000 item plus store to save you money. Expanding to one of our offers, just add to cart, buy multiple items so you can get you the best deal on shipping. So the format is fixed price, duration is start my listing when I submit them. Buy it now, I will put 15.99, quantity is 1, and okay, the domestic shipping is when the item is below 1 pound. The service is the business days is USPS first class. If the item is above 1 pound, is the service calculate shipping is priority mail. So I will choose the first class because this item is below 1 pound. So this is 50 pounds and 83 inches. And then after that I will click save button, save as draft. Now so the item is here now. It is listed. Alright, I hope you guys learned something about my video, and I hope you do subscribe and like my video. Thanks.